How to enable Squarespace blog comments. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to enable Squarespace comments or blog comments. We're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit the account dashboard. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to be on the dashboard and selecting the website that we want to do the process for. Click on go to website just like that. And here you go. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the website and we're going to click on pages. Now we're going to head over the blog. And before I go to the blog, I can go ahead and head over the parameter of the blog by clicking on here or clicking on the clog here. Now on the general page, you can see that we have some, let's say here, specific parameters that we can add or manage the categories of the blog, and these are going to be complementary. It is not going to be related to the blog, let's say, comments. But if you are going to head over the blog itself, you can go ahead and see the blog post, for example, like that. Click on settings of it, and you're going to find, for example, the content. You can find here the content like here are the source, the URL. You can find also the options, which is going to contain the comments, which we are going to click on here, and we are going to find the comment if you're going to disable them or not. Or you can go ahead and schedule them. If you're going to disable the comments, click on the comments again, and it is going to be disabled. So you can go ahead and have some other or advanced settings for the comment sections by clicking on this one, and it is going to take you to the settings of the website. So we're going to head over here. Normally it is going to be on the website, and it is going to be on the blog preferences, comment settings, and we're going to enable that. When you enable the comment or the comment globally, you're going to head over here and see that you're going to allow simple comment likes. You can go ahead and put the requiring approval comments, allow anonymous posts or comments, which is not that good in specific occasions. I would like not to let it slip. We have the threaded comments, show avatars, enable comments by default when posting, yes. Now for the comment sort order, you can go ahead and set up the first one or the newest one first, oldest one first, most liked, and etc. You can set up the auto disable comments default value. For example, you can put a number for disabling comments after, I don't know here, after you have posted. And also you can put some comment flags. You can, users can use flags, comments for moderation. For example, auto moderation automatically sets comments to waiting moderation after a certain number of flags, and etc. So the flags are going to be, let's say here, a flag or a specific trigger that will be, let's say, pinned to a comment. So you're going to take the attention for it. Now, aside from that, I'm going to enable that. And of course, I am going to be on the blog. Select here each one of the blogs, and we are going to head over the settings of them. Click on options and activate the comments for them. For example, this one is going to be normally inactivated or deactivated. We're going to activate it, of course. I'm going to save the changes. Boom. Also like that. Click on options. Here, save. The last one is going to be the same. We're going to head over the options, comment, save, boom. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.